Hi, my name's Cari-Jane Hakes. Welcome to my workshop here in East Yorkshire. I love making intricate, involved pieces of jewellery that tell a story. When my pieces are finished, I want them to be effortless compositions of texture, light and form. But a lot of effort goes into making something effortless. So today I want to show you some of the effort that goes into transforming this into one of these tiny silver starlings that make up the little murmuring flock on this brooch. So let's get to work. Step 1, melting. Step 2, make silver sheet with this rolling mill. Okay, now I've got a really nice flat piece of silver. Step 3, cutting and filing. After annealing the silver, it's time for step 4, texturing the silver with watercolour paper. I love this technique, and it still amazes me how seemingly fragile objects like paper can leave an imprint on the silver. Step 5, cut the ovals in half so they end up like this. Step 6, hammer into shape. Step 7, solder tiny silver stalks onto each starling. And here are the finished birds. Once the silver starlings have been oxidised and polished, they're ready to be attached to the engraved perspex pieces of sky that make up the Murmuring Flock collection. Join me live on Friday the 14th of November at 3:30 p.m. during Handmade Chelsea's interactive virtual craft fair to learn more about this collection and my work.